Human Capital and Development. Ito ang tinututukan ng liderato ni Philippine Army Commanding General, Lieutenant General Antonio Nafarrete. Ayon sa General, kinakailangang palakasin ng mga personnel at paghusayin pa ang mga pagsasanay ng mga ito, gayon din ang kanilang kapakanan, lalong-lalo na ang pundasyon ng bawat pamilya ng mga sundalo.
Well, actually, it's more on human capital and development. We need really to strengthen yung ating personnel since we know this is the strength of the organization. As we shift towards external defense, so we need also to upgrade its capabilities, improve our trainings and the welfare, strengthen. I am more on as a force provider. Ang campaign commander natin si West Minco, when it comes to operations siya. Sa akin may marching orders for an admin. It's really to look for the welfare of our personnel, for them to gaganda yung kanilang pamamalakad, their family, and to remain focused para sa attainment ng goals, ng mission ng campaign.